Welcome to Tactical Llama EDC. My name is Tom. I'm your Llama host today. And today we are going to do an unboxing. We just got a package from Olight. Just ripped off my address, but left it unopened still. I'm going to use this really cool County-Com D2 Reaction Titanium. This is number 229 out of 500. My preferred method of opening though. Very enjoyable. It does run on washers, and it is just a workhorse. Just keeps going. Let's use it and chop this thing open and see what happens. All right, we have an Olight Seeker 4 Mini. Nice. I was recommended to get this guy by someone in the Olight community as I was looking for a good UV light. And they recommended that the UV light on the Seeker 4 was much more useful and enjoyable than the, I think they showed me the ArcFeld Pro. They showed me a couple different ones, but it seemed like based on all the testing, the Seeker 4 Mini had the best throw, the best vibrancy, the power. Let me see what we're going here with 760 milliwatts, 365 nanometers, and runtime of 95 minutes. Fantastic. That's for the UV light specifically. Let's check this thing out. Read me. Before first use, please unscrew the tail cap and remove the insulating film. Awesome. Standard Olight procedure. Now I don't need to take the charger out because this guy's gonna be clipped on here. There we go. I already have an MCC 1A from my Perrin 2 Mini, and it's the same one. It's nice. That's nice that they do that. Always nice to see that insulating film. Always nice to see a well-packaged battery. Always check it out before you use it. Make sure there's no bloating, no bulging. No, you don't want an exploding battery. But I've never received an exploding battery. I've never had issues with Olight's batteries, and I absolutely love that insulating film. Fantastic. I'm going to go ahead and let this guy charge, and we'll give it a complete review later. Oh, nice strong clip. Oh, compare that to my one I've been using a while, the i5R EOS, the HCRI. This guy comes in at, it uses a 14,500 in there, lithium-ion battery. It does that integrated USB-C charging, and this guy comes in at 285 lumens. I carry this thing all the time. It is always on my hip. So the clip is a bit more worn in, a bit more worked. This guy is stiff, nice, is not going anywhere. And that's exactly why I got this. I needed something very, a little bit more powerful, a little bit more versatile with the UV, as well as something I can use for a good wide throw when I go on trips and stuff, and outdoors and camping and such. So. Yeah, keep an eye out for the full review coming. I like to use the items first for a while before I review them. Otherwise, let me know what you guys think in the comments. And if you like what you saw, go ahead and like and subscribe. And if you have any Olights of your own that you're looking forward to maybe coming up on O Fan Day, let me know in the comments. Thank you very much. Bye.